Hi mga Jai! Jolly morning! And for today, we are here in Decathlon in Nottingham because the time has finally come for me to shop for my hiking essentials. Would you believe it, diba? So never in my wildest dreams did I ever thought that this day will come. Pero here I am, looking for the best shoes, which is Salomon. Kanang bitong pang malakasang hiking na gyud ni di na gyud ta pwede mapandol aning mga panahona. So I got the Salomon Saliba. I had to try it first to make sure everything feels okay. Okay ba ang traction niya? It's also waterproof pala guys. And swak na swak kayo siya sa akong tiil mo siya gihug. O diba? It's really nice to invest on good trekking shoes. Especially Salomon is one of the known ones. And of course, since I'm here, I also wanted to get a hiking bag. Tanan na lang no, excuse lang nga para maka-shopping si Monica. Pero sige na lang go. This is a therapy. And of course, nasa hiking era na ko since I'm already here. Ato na siyang lubos-lubuson, diba? And yes, guys, those are the lies that I tell myself every day. O, diba? And this is the worst part. Bayaran na, guys. Like I always say, God will provide. Bahala na si God sa akong kaunon for the rest of the month. Char. Basta ang importante, makakat-kat ta. O, diba? Basta pag-support na lang yun mo na ko, guys. Kay it's summertime and it's also the beginning of a healthier lifestyle. Happier Moniki, and that's what's important, right? So, mora, salamat kayo sa pagtanaw. Bye!